Hi, Ashley from Integrity. This morning we're down here at 5 Mayburn Close, a beautiful quiet cul-de-sac location in North Nowra. Shops, school, medical centre. If you're wanting to be close to all of this, this property here is certainly one you've got to come and have a look at. Let's go have a look. If you're looking for a large family entertaining home, this property here is a must to inspect. Beautiful open plan living space, lots of room for the kids, backyard to die for, large entertainer's deck. Let's go have a look. As you can see, this large family home set in an idyllic location close to all amenities surely will not last long, so call to inspect.